Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and sa last video natin, pinag-usapan natin yung Samsung Galaxy Fold. And kung napanood yung video na yun, then alam nyo malakas yung wow factor ng device because of all of its features plus because of its price tag which is above 100,000 pesos. In this video, we're gonna dial it way back into budget territory and papag-usapan naman natin yung Honor 9X. It's about to be released here in the Philippines and it's potentially a great phone to consider if your budget is around 10,000 pesos. And of course, before we begin guys, remind ko lang kayo na may giveaway para sa Realme 5. All you have to do is click on the link in the description down below and follow instructions guys. Please follow them properly para hindi kayo ma-disqualify and best of luck! Okay, so Honor Philippines sent us over the Honor 9X to review and to be honest guys, hindi ako masyadong na-impress yung una ko siya nakita and yung binabasa ko yung spec sheet niya. But I did realize that when you look at the phone as a whole, especially kung nakita nyo na yung price point niya or yung potential price point niya, that it's actually a good smartphone. Now I say potential price kasi wala pa sa akin yung official price tag ng Honor 9X, but if they do keep it within or sana mas mababa pa sa price ng Chinese version ng phone na to, which is around 10,000 pesos when you convert it, then definitely may laban siya. So konting disclaimer lang, hindi sa amin pinadala yung retail box, so there's no unboxing for this device. So without further ado, pag-usapan na natin yung highlights ng Honor 9X. So definitely the main feature for me on this device is the display. Again, kung titignan nyo lang yung spec sheet, hindi siya gaano ka-impressive. You have a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus LTPS IPS display, but it's almost all screen thanks to that pop-up camera module. Now, nakita na natin to sa ibang mga smartphone pero it's rare to see it sa price range na to and usually you're getting yung mga water drop or dew drop notch, so having an almost all-screen display for around 10,000 pesos is a treat and definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So the next highlight for the Honor 9X are the rear cameras, pero since medyo na-mention ko na siya, let's talk about the selfie shooter first. Like I said, pop-up selfie camera siya at 16 megapixels with an aperture of f2.2. The thing about this motorized camera module is sobrang bagal niya guys. Hindi ako sure kung ito na yung pinakamabagal in the market pero it's the slowest na experience ko since we've been seeing this kind of tech. Thankfully, that speed doesn't really affect performance, so here are a couple of selfies, pero sa full review na natin pag-usapan yung quality niya, but feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Okay, so sa rear cameras naman tayo ngayon, you have a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So maganda yung shot variety na makakuha nyo sa setup na to, plus you have all the shooting modes to give you more options. Again, here are a few sample photos that I was able to take. I will hold off final judgment for the full review, but again, let us know what you think in the comment section down below. So those are the two main highlights for the Honor 9X in my opinion, but as I said, we're talking about the entire package here. So pag-usapan na natin yung ibang specs ng phone na to. For the processing package, you have the Kirin 710F processor that's paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Not bad for day-to-day use and syempre para sa mobile gaming. Pero sana yung global version which is what we have also shipped with the Kirin 810 para mas solid yung performance niya. Pero again, it's not all that bad. For the battery naman, you have 4,000 mAh which is standard na sa 2019 and it should be enough for one whole day or possibly 2 days depende na lang sa usage nyo. Pero yung concern ko dito is sadly 10-watt charging lang siya. As for the chassis of the 9X, meron siyang aluminum frame and glass panels although hindi ako sure kung Gorilla Glass siya or hindi. You have the volume rocker on the right side plus the power button, a microphone, access to the SIM tray, and yung pop-up camera module on top. And on the bottom is the speaker grill, USB-C port, another mic, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. You even have a physical fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone. Medyo refreshing makakita ng gantong fingerprint scanner honestly since mostly in-display na lahat. The Honor 9X has two color variants, Midnight Black, which is yung nakita nyo sa video na to. It's good if you want that medyo classic, elegant look, but if you want something more flashy, I definitely suggest going for the Sapphire Blue color variant because meron siyang X pattern depending on how light hits it, and it's very fitting since Honor 9X nga naman yung pinag-uusapan natin. Like I said guys, we don't have the official price tag for the Honor 9X just yet, pero sana talaga it's around or even below 10,000 pesos. Kasi kung natapatan ni Honor Philippines yung price tag na na-release sa China, then definitely this phone is something to consider for the end of 2019. So that pretty much wraps things up guys. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.